Some of you have probably already seen us in an RV. Did we buy an RV? Where's the green machine? All shall be revealed momentarily. Essentially, one of Andrew's managers ended up obtaining a FEMA trailer because his property was destroyed. It didn't quite work out for him and his wife. They got a rental somewhere else, and then it's been really cold lately, so they said we're more than welcome to use this trailer to stay warm, because our van just wasn't quite cutting it, and hotels were getting super expensive. So this is an Ameri-Lite. I really don't know anything about this trailer. It's a Gulf Stream Ameri-Lite, so it looks like this. So I guess take a look inside the FEMA trailer with me, shall we? They put this frame down, which was nice. The stairs, little door. Oh, Gunner, hi. I put this rug in here. We need to get an outdoor rug. All right, you first walk in. Now this is, why are you drooling? Oh God. This is a couch that turns into, to call it a bed would be generous, but it's perfect for Gunner. This is Gunner's little area. The material's like this plasticky material, so it's easy to wipe down. There's an outlet right here for his heated blanket, so he can stay warm. He has a little window out here. And then if you turn to your left, there's a little dining area that's pretty nifty. Storage. We're staying in here, so sorry it's not super clean. More storage. You got a fridge and freezer. We made some really good fettuccine Alfredo last night. Got some frozen food in here. Some vodka. Breakfast burritos. Microwave. There is a 2-burner stove. As you notice, we have our stove set up because we ran out of propane. And instead of filling up those propane tanks, we're just using our propane stove to cook. This is the furnace, but we need propane for that. There is an AC unit in here and an AC unit in the bedroom. That runs off of electricity. We are hooked into shore power, so we have electricity, and we are hooked into sewage, so we can just dump the tanks into the sewage when the tanks get full. Behind this curtain is the bedroom. It's a queen-size bed. It's not too bad. We got the space heater over there. I got my heated blanket. There's a little ledge to put stuff up above, and then there's a little miniature closets on each side. That's like it's not like real paneling, it's like a print, kind of. Everything is more of a particle board vibe quality. And then over here we have the bathroom. We don't have propane, so that means no hot water. I believe this hot water heater only runs off of propane. This is a little skylight. The shower is actually pretty big, but just plastic. Definitely not the nicest hardware, but it is a great temporary solution for anybody. Toilet. We had some fun, scary times with this toilet in the black water tank, but we're getting the hang of it. There's some storage under here. Tiny little plastic sink. This is actually a decent amount of counter space, and there's more storage under there. And then a little vanity. There is a fan, which is great to use if you are going to shower in here because you want to mitigate all the moisture. Lights. There's a bunch of these lights everywhere, and they have a button so you can turn them on individually as well. So that is the trailer. I don't know anything about the trailer. I can't really speak on any of the features. Yeah. Overall, we're super grateful that Andrew's manager is allowing us to stay here. It's been great to stand up, have a flushable toilet, have infinite electricity. It's been pretty cold here in the Carolinas. It was around 16 degrees last week at one point. So we are going to be staying in here for December. And then we actually obtained a month-to-month rental in downtown Asheville. So it's $1,000 a month without pet fees. We don't have to sign anything. We're essentially subleasing from another one of Andrew's coworkers. And it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. There's no central air heating, but we can use space heaters. We have a full residential fridge, oven, stove. There's a washer and dryer in the building on site. It's fully furnished, 2 flat screen TVs, some storage in there. So that will be for January, February, and that is how we will stay warm and kind of survive the harsher winter months doing van life. Some people might say, how dare you, this is cheating. But, you know, this isn't a survival competition. I have nothing to prove. We go through a lot of propane using the Mr. Buddy heater in the van, and it also creates a lot of moisture. So we'll give the van a break. Still going to keep it, not getting rid of it. Won't be renting it out. It's our everyday driver, and luckily where we are staying is pretty close to Andrew's work, and I'm within walking distance to a lot of places. So I'll be able to leave Gunner at the apartment and hopefully get a little part-time job at a shop somewhere and kind of make some extra cash to go towards that rent. Unfortunately, the average price of rent here is $2,000. We just got really lucky. It's all about who you know, unfortunately. So we're just very, very lucky to know people that are willing to hook us up, help us out, and it means a lot to us. But catch us over on TikTok. We live stream over there a lot. I am going to get back on my regular schedule of live streaming on Fridays here and uploading videos on Friday here. For extra content, you can subscribe to our Patreon, 7-day free trial, or $3.99 a month. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. As always, don't get bamboozled.